So now we're starting to get an increased awareness of how you can connect down through your pelvis, down to your legs, and start to bring some sense of engagement into your hands. And now we can change this around, bring your hands into palms up as if you were going to, for example, start the rocking motion or daughter in the mountaintop. And see what it's like now in your legs and pelvis if you start to bring your hands up and see if you can feel where you might come into a bit of an edge, as if perhaps you had an energy bubble or some pressure. And so we're talking about really subtle kind of places where as you come up, there's going to be that same sense of initial ease, like bringing your foot off the ground. And then at a certain point, you're going to start to feel like you're engaging with an edge. And just let yourself hang out there. The hanging out at the edge is really important because this is where the learning happens, and this is where the grounding starts to happen as well. And then just feel how, as your hands come down, that there might be a shift in maybe your diaphragm or tension in your chest. So you really get a sense that there's this internal engagement that happens with this sense of moving outward. And then we can do the same thing with coming straight out in front of you. So for example, if you just come up, so the backs of your hands usually don't have that same sense of back pressure when you come up. So you can kind of come up with a little greater ease here. And then come in front of your shoulders. And this would be more like starting a push-pull. So just kind of, as you come forward with your hands, as if you're just pushing open a little bit of space for yourself. Feel how that starts to engage, not just in your shoulders and arms, but how it might engage down through your spine, into your pelvis. And maybe as you start to allow your pelvis and legs into this and feel into them, they might start to make little readjustments to this connection that you're doing through your hands, so that it becomes much more of a whole body experience. And often if you just kind of let down, let your body take that in, and then after a short period of time, come back up again, that you'll find already there's more available to you. Your body has become a little more organized, a little more awake to the idea of what you're engaging here as you just push open a little bit of space with your hands